Dito na kami sa Iliganon guys, with wifi. Ito ang Iliganon Club of Southern California. Alright, let's go check them out.
New member are there are our members already, Heidi and Mark Manzano. Wave your hand, Heidi and Mark. It's Bisdak, it's Bisayang Dako. Okay, kung Tagalog di ay, Bisdak. Okay, thank you Mark for coming. So we really appreciate your time. This is Team Iligan. Hooray! Viva Interchanigel! Viva! And another one, I know it's one of our famous celebrant for our fathers tomorrow, but we will have our outing in Viejas, a casino for those who really want to spend their Father's Day.
Masih President no? Nasa Pilipinas? Nasa Pilipinas si Junior no?
Ha?
Nasa Pilipinas si Junior?
Oo, to.
Nasa balik dito.
Saan pa siguro? Nagsimana?
Ayan guys, kain muna tayo. Yan, wow, lechon. Si President JM Joel Bacayo. Oh, mga taga-Iligan for sure.
Hello.
Kailan mo niya?
Bisdak.
Bisdak. Oh. Ay, sayang. Next time. Sa mga old school Iliganon, yan guys.
Okay, boom.
For sure, kilala nyo ang president ng Iliganon, si Ma'am Melu. Mga estudyante niya ako before sa Lasal. Siya yun ang presidente ng Iliganon Association. Dati na siyang presidente, so pag siya ang presidente, lahat kinig. Oh, yan oh. Aligano no? Ikaw daw ikaw daw Iligano na buutan. Tingnan nyo guys. So, yan. Yung mga taga-Iligan na di pa nakasali sa LA Iliganon Association. Join nyo.
Okay, thank you, ladies. California. Established in 1987.
Guys, nainitan so tinapos na. But it was fun. Interviewin ko ba ang Iliganon? Ma'am, pwede mag-interview? Iliganon ka, di ba?
Ikaw, proxy naman ko.
Ano masasabi mo sa pagiging...
Importante na sa video.
Ganun lang guys, no? Mabot ang time na kami na ni wifey sa generation namin. Kami na ang sasayaw. Di ba ga? Mabot na ba ang time?
Ayos ka.
Sayaw sa... Practice mo na kami sa bahay.
Joseph, you have done so much for your family. We're celebrating this for you only. Hope you know how much we appreciate you today. So the effort and the support that you have given to your family, to your maybe friends or in-laws or what, you're well appreciated. Now, as the Iligan group, we're gonna sing you a song. Okay, guys, go. Yeah. Never have sunlight on your face.
Iyak ka na.
You were content to let me shine. You always walk to step me high. So I was the one with all the glory. Well, you were the one with all the strength. A beautiful strike to lightning, oh so long now. A beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you really know that you're my hero? Everything I would like to be. I can fly than a hero. When you are the wind beneath my wings. It might have been to go, I know this. But I got it over in my mind. I want you to know I know the truth. Of course I know it. We would be nothing without you. You know that you're my hero. Everything I like to be. Happy Mother's Day, everybody!
Medal na para mansanas.
Station.
Paglingan is kami.
Basta daw, minyan mo sa Iliganon.
Yeah. Dapat Iliganon daw ang piliin.
Buotan gayod.
Buutan. Okay guys, so bounce na kami kasi mag early dinner pa kami ng mga bata. Since today nga, Father's Day. So it was a fun afternoon, no? Kahit sandali lang kami dito. We spent like an hour. Yeah. So kung, you're from Southern California and Iliganon kayo, sali kayo sa Southern California. Kasi, masaya itong group na to. Kung mahilig kayo sa line dancing, games. Walang kamatayan, Macarena guys. Sige, sayo lang. So guys, ito. Ganyan talaga nagawa mo. Kami 20 years from now, maging ganito na kami ng life. Alright, let's go. So yun guys, uwian na. Yan, so I'll see you. So Iliganon, Viva Señor San Miguel. It's gonna be the first celebration until the 8th September something. So every week meron tong mga meetings sila. So yeah, ganito lang guys. Join lang kung Iliganon ka and you're in Southern California. Check the web FB group Iliganon Iligan City, Lanao del Norte group in California. Check nyo lang yan guys. Oo. Wala na may mga player.